Add 450 grams of broccoli florets. Pour hot water as required. Blanch it for 2 to 4 minutes. Once done, remove from hot water and set aside. Oil 3 tablespoons. 4 garlic chopped. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. 1 onion chopped. 1 bay leaf. Sauté the onion until translucent. Salt to taste. Black pepper a half teaspoon. Paprika powder a half teaspoon. Sauté for 2 more minutes. Add blanched broccoli florets. Water 2½ cups. Mix well, cover it and bring it to boil. Remove the bay leaf. Blend it well. Coconut milk a ½ cup. Mix well and bring it to boil, and the broccoli soup is ready. Enjoy!